The if function is the most useful function in Excel. So let's go and learn the if function in a simple way. So let's start with the if function with the simple functions. Equal to if, and let's say your profit is greater than 20, then get the profit, otherwise get 0, right? So if you are writing the number inside, then you don't need with double quote. So now let's use two ifs. Equal to if your profit is greater than or equal to 20, then you can write okay, otherwise not okay. You can write in capital letter, small letter, or any text as per your need. Now you can get the result which is more than 20 or equal to 20, right? So here inside I am going to use one more if. So how I can use one more if? Here let's say if it is not greater than okay, then what will happen? Instead of giving your result as not okay, it will check if your cost is greater than 100, then give me the profit, otherwise let's say not, right? And one more bracket. So now I have given one more if inside the if. Let's double click here. Now you can see here I am getting the result 10. Why I am getting the result 10? Because here I have selected as if it is greater than 100, then I get the result as C3. C3 is nothing but your profit. So now let's use AND function along with your if functions. So how to use that? Equal to if, and let's say AND your cost is greater than 100, your profit is greater than 20, both the conditions are fulfilled, then you will get your profit. Otherwise if you write with double quote with nothing, then you will get nothing, right? So let's see. So now here both the conditions should be fulfilled, and means you can give more arguments with comma, you can give any arguments, right? So now let's say both the conditions, here you want to give one more. Let's say here you want to give one more criteria is if a1 equal to apple, right? So now here you can see that apple 1 is written, that's why it is not working, right? So now in this apple 1 and 2 we'll be knowing how to use the star mark and wildcard. We'll be knowing little later. Now let's go with if or functions. Equal to if or your cost is greater than equal to 100, comma your profit is less than equal to let's say greater than 20, right? If any one of the condition is fulfilled, you will get your profit, otherwise you will get nothing. Now let's try. So here none of the condition is fulfilled, that's why you will get nothing. In double quote, if you write anything, suppose you write 1, you will get 1. So based on that, your double quote text, you can get the result. Now what is the if not function? If not is just the opposite. For example, I'm just giving you small examples. You can use these examples and you can expand more functions inside this. Let's say equal to if not this one greater than 100, then get the profit, otherwise nothing. So now you can see here greater than 100, even though it is greater than 100, it will just take the opposite because we have given not function, right? Now let's say this is less than 100, this is also less than 100, right? So here it is getting 0 result, here it is getting nothing. So 0 and nothing is two different things, right? So now you can use some function also or any functions inside the if function. I will give you one example. Equal to if your cost is greater than 100, then sum your cost and profit, otherwise nothing, right? So now here it is more than 100, so it will add up, and here is less than 100, so it will not add up. Now how to use if and star? So you are confused because in other sum if or any other functions you can use the star, but in if functions you cannot use the star. Let's try that. We have another alternative which is very easy way, but before that I'll show you whether if star is working or not. Equal to if, before that let's write here something, equal to if this one equal to apple and star, right? Then get the profit, otherwise nothing. Now you can see here you are not getting anything even though it is apple. If I delete this 10 also, I will not get the result. If before that I will add the star also, I will not get the result. Even if I will try like this, I will not get the result. So what is the best alternative? Because the star or wildcard is used after the argument, not before the argument. So let's try. What are the other options alternative we have? You can use your ISNUMBER and search functions. So what is ISNUMBER function? What is search functions? In search functions, equal to search. Let's find out. Let's you want to search for apple. You are looking for apple. Then from where you are looking for apple, you are looking here. So if it is true, you will get 1. So now it is 1. So let's say if you write 2 or anything, you will also get 1. Of here, if you drag here also, you will get 1. Now what is number? If it is a number, it will get true. If it is not a number, you will get false. So equal to is number down, let's say close the bracket. So since this is 1 is a number, you will get true. So now let's use is number and search. Equal to if is number search, you're looking for apple. Where you're looking? You're looking under fruits. Close the bracket. Okay, so one more bracket because we have two functions. Then get the profit, otherwise nothing. Let's see. I'm getting the profit, and down also I'll get the profit. So this is very helpful. In case you don't know, please try it and let me know. So here we have written some text or space. Now inside we can also use symbols. So how we can use symbols? For example, let's insert some symbols. Let's insert here. Go to insert. Under insert, you will have your symbols. From where you will get symbols? Inside, let's say here, symbols. Let's say I'm going to use some arrow marks, this one, and one more I want to insert. Let's say this one. So you can bold it. You can increase the size if you want. So now I'm going to use this arrow mark if I'm getting result. So now let's say equal to, if your profit is more than 20, then more than 20, then get this, otherwise get this. Simple, right? So now instead of writing inside, you can copy and you can type with a double quote also. Let's see. Okay, let's use this. Nice, right? So now you can also conditional format it based on your requirement. For example, let's say if I am getting this, go to your conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Okay, equal to, you can get equal to this one. You can choose any color, right? You can give this one. So otherwise you can go to conditional formatting, you can create manage rules, you can create new rule, contains equal to, so here equal to, let's say I've selected this, you can format, you can fill the color, let's say I use red color, and in this I'm going to use, let's say instead of this I will copy and use so that I will have better options. In double click and just type there, click OK, and here I can change the color to green. So now let's copy this, see here. Nice, right? So based on your requirement, you can use your functions along with your if functions. I have given only few examples and you can use that examples with your multiple requirements. Thanks for watching.